Today, as part of our family-friendly itinerary, we plan to explore two of Taipei's historical treasures, the National Taiwan Museum and Landbank Exhibition Hall. Both have earned a reputation as some of the best museums in Taipei.
Mami, paano lalaki o pag nakatalikod?
Matanda lalaki.
Yan, ganyan. Ulit. Paano maglakad ang babae?
Ano na?
Paano maglakad ang babae? Kimbot! Andred! But you can get one.
We just gained 15 more subscribers since our last video. Thank you everyone for your support. So
Oh, come on.
Patrick!
Yeah, Daddy. Daddy. 100. What? This is what?
You are so cool. I'm sure I should not speak loud because this is a museum.
this
But
good?
wow, yes. Ceratosaurus, Daddy. Mommy, look how tall that is. Look how tall that's so. It's even taller than our house.
Taller than her house. That's how tall dinosaurs are. So
This
massive.
museum is so big and so ginormous.
It's a very nice museum, right? What is it?
I did not expect this museum to be so cool.
Hundred. You see a real one like this. Yeah, you see that?
I actually went to the restaurant and it's so cool. It's not a thing. It's still there.
Daddy call it so that it will appear.
Let's get another one.
Get another
Oh.
one and just another one.
This is so cool.
We will wait for it again.
This is so cool. This is so cool. So cool. So cool.
Daddy will summon it again, okay? You wait. Ate,
Kapag ginaanan mo dito lalabas.
country, tayo na. Country, lapit ka, bili. Country.
I'm obsessed with dinosaurs now.
Sakit ang puson.
Should I touch it?
Go. Nothing happened.
Feels weird. Feels cool. Maybe it's just to show how This is how the iron meteors feel like. Touch it, touch it, touch it. I'm touching it. Oh, that's how it's like shooting and then off to Earth. And maybe that is this. This is the meteor. I think when a meteor struck the Earth, somebody took this it struck like Taipei or something, and then they got it. Put it here. Oh my, brilliant! It's expanded. Can I even see that?
What?
Amazing. Hold on. Can I try to twist it on the very there? Whoa, this is so cool. And then deletes everybody
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
in here.
Yeah. You can only see the ano lang.
Whoa, this
That-
is
that-
amazing.
Lagi ko na nga dito kung hindi mo makikita kasi yung tao. Go. Put it in
Go
there.
there.
Dito
Go
din
there.
sa kabila.
Go stand on that green thing. No,
Wala, Daddy. Wala ka.
you're not
Invisible
here.
ka.
Dad, let's show that. Okay, Mama, go there.
Okay. I will fall. Ate, mahal, malalapit ka dito. Dali, sige. Galing na. Tingin, smile.
Pretend I'm like standing on my eggs and trying to.
Tabi ka, tabi. Kendrick, you sit down there. Sit down. Move. You sit down.
They're eating the fried chicken. Sarap to the bones. Ay, Max pala yun.
Busog ka dyan ng ilang linggo.
To find the same blue-green pigment or eggshells that new eggs, indicating that colored eggs are not unique to living birds. Their ancestors, dinosaurs, could already lay blue-green eggs. They also do blue and green eggs? Wow! I want to see that if that's true for myself. We dig on fossils and fossils. Maybe you have to find the fossils and like guide them here, and probably something cool might happen.
Yeah, it's like a notebook of dinosaur, the evolution of the dinosaur.
I'm the evolution.
You're that?
I'm the evolution.
Oh, wow. When you turn the
End of the
page.
book.
End of the book. End of the book.
Wait.
What? Oh, that's the, what do you call them?
I forgot how to draw this.
Paleontologist. Oh, nakikita mo na yung bone.
Turbosaurus! Daddy, a Turbosaurus bone!
Dati daw.
Daddy, a Turbosaurus bone! A Turbosaurus!
Sa kabila naman dito, meron na din.
Huh?
Yun o, nalabas na. Ate, tingnan mo. Para siyang ano, siya yung paleontologist, yung ano ng mga
This
fossil.
one right here, I see one.
Oh, ito dito, tingnan mo. Oh, di ba lalabas? Oh, galing.
It's just white.
Galing mo ah.
This is a children play a little bit easier because there's a play.
It's called Interactive Museum.
So it's interactive, that it has play stuff, right?
So you can understand more how it works. How they get.
There we go.
There, right there. You bought bread and you also were able to tap it.
Bread.
Aba. Baby come.
Jovi?
Hello, vlog. Welcome to my guys. Lalabas kami ngayon. Dahil sa labas ay 3 degrees. Ah. Tin.
Yung pagkasira talaga na.
Pag nilalab na ako.
Pakita mo yung tao. Gano'ng kakapal yung mga sumunod.
Isa nga, may nakakomporter, may nasa labas.
Yung ang kakaiba dito, yung mga pulubi. Yung mga pulubi sa labas na tutulog. Siyempre, napakalamig, diba? Tapos, yung comforter nila, mas maganda pa sa comforter ko sa bahay.
14. 12. Wait. Family.
Wala, no?
Love na love mo talaga ako.
Ako lang masaya sa joke mo.
Hindi tayo din sa may ano, sa may...
Tapos pinunta ko. Yung ano, yung pulubi naman sa may station.
Ah.
Ano, nandun sa ano, gitna. Kasi nag-aayos na siya ng i-stayan niya. May ano, naglatag na siya ng upo, ano. Subuksan niya yung maleta niya. Maleta niya kulay red. Parang naka-remova pa.
Mas maganda pa yung maleta niya.
Maganda pa yung maleta niya sa maleta ko. Time check. Gabi na, no? 4:35 pala ng hapon. Alam mo yung nakakaingit yung makikita mo na ang panlamig nila ay yung bubble. Parang, oo, sinusunod nila. Ay, mami, kasi ka.
'Gusto mo bilang isa? Bilang isa?
Isang piraso.
Take card. Ano? 145?
25.
Only one. Sabi lang kami ng minutes ko. Ganda dito na. Dahil natin sa mga magpapas.
Wala pa.
Love din dito.
Pag-uli ka. Sama. Ang dami ka pagkain makakain. Tapos, marami ka rin magagalaan. Madali mag-MRT, madali kahit naka-wheelchair ka, kahit mag-isa ka lang naka-wheelchair.
Kung kanina nga ano eh.
Huwag na kami gagayahin.
Yung paralyzed na pati sa may yung gumagalaw lang sa kanya dulo niya. Nakadikit dito yung ano, yung remote. Pag gaganon-ganon lang siya. Tapos andar na siya. Kap mamit. Kap.
May sarap. Yung ano dyan. Napakalapit talaga mo. Alam mo, Daddy, pag comfortable yung suot mo, masarap. Pag yung, ano,
Comfortable yung ka ngayon.
yung pag yung talagang na-bear na yung kaya ng ano yung dami.
Sino? Sarado ko mga ato. Hindi ko nakakagad.
Ikaw na.
Ha? Sarap po. Rapper. Chilin. Chilin pepper one. Rapper. Wait. Oh, lamig! Ganun.
Ano?
Ito kasi 4 degrees.
Okay, mas malamig. At ibig sabihin na experience mo itong liwanag.
Oo. Kasi napupunta ako dun sa, hindi, meron sa US yun.
Ayaw nga sa US.
Nag-snow dun.
Ayaw nga na. Yun ang negative. Sa Germany, malamig, minimal lang.
Hindi ko maalala kung negative 4 yun o 4 lang yun.
Saan?
Pero may snow dun.
Saan?
Yung naglalaba ako
Sa US?
sa US. Pero nung pumunta kami sa Heidelberg, 8 degrees yun. Eh di mas malamig ko, 8 degrees yun.
Hindi mo nabenta niya 20?
Oo. Gusto mo?
Ano po?
Alin? Bayabas? Ay, guwaba? Eee! So cold! Shit, thank you very much. Thank you. Okay tayo? Tutusan mo. Ay, hindi.
Pwede, pwede.
Malalamig, pumasok na tayo para mainitan na tayo. Bago lang guwardya.